Bro, if he talking to me like that, bro, I'm trashing the entire kitchen, bro. I'm throwing everything on the floor. I don't care, bro. I'm not about to get disrespected like that. He about to make me leave. Like, I ain't earned my spot here. No, bro. I'm going right at him, bro. He getting treated like a random boy in the street. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Quan Hancho. I'm back on another reaction video, you know what I'm saying? And it's a pretty good one, I'm gonna say so. It's a reaction request from my man, Leafy. Shout out to Leafy, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be reacting to, I forgot what the title was. We're gonna be reacting to the best moments of Chef Gordon Ramsay. Bro, I've seen a couple videos of him. That man be getting real disrespectful to them chefs in that kitchen, bro. Like, I don't know why I would do if I was the chef, but you know what I'm saying. But we about to get into this reaction video. Yes, sir, ski yee. Let's get it popping.
Listen. Fuck up.
Oh.
Get out.
Oh.
Sharon, you're scaring me. You look like the female version of fucking Hannibal Lecter. Put your fucking tongue in and concentrate.
Yes, chef.
Hannibal,
bro, that's a
special
rumble.
has now become not very special. Thanks to Dick Face there. Hurry up, Jim.
Oh.
Yeah, but I'm not Dick Face, chef.
Yeah, say that again.
I said I'm not Dick Face,
Yeah, you're
chef.
pissed, are you?
I'm
Oh,
not.
fucking look at me.
I still
As
leave.
pissed as I am. You fucking are.
I spit right in his face, bro. Don't do that.
You run a shithole of a kitchen. Fuck yourself.
No,
Okay?
no.
Fuck off.
Yo.
You to turn around and tell me when you were like a pig. You French pig.
Bro, we 43 seconds. They ain't talking to people like that. Oh, bro, I can't be a chef around him, bro. Me and him gonna have to duke it out, bro. I don't care how old he is, bro. We gonna have to rumble. You not about to be talking to me like that. That's real disrespectful. I don't like that.
Like a bison's penis. What is that shit? Leave it. But when you go like this, you go, I'm good, I'm brilliant. I'm from Chicago. Fucking shit up.
Oh.
You're cooking in a burnt pan, you fucking dick.
Yo, why he about to pray a weirdo?
Leave it. Just fucking leave it. You're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking donkey.
Yo, why is he?
The first time in my fucking cooking career, yeah? I'm in a kitchen with Muppets. Thank you, sir. Hey, hello, come here, donkeys. Here we go. We started. Come here. What is that? It's all right. What is that? What is that? What is that? Fuck off, will you?
I smacked him right in his
Fuck
face.
off. Okay? That's already fucked.
He's
When you
disrespectful.
roll it looking like a pair of fucking knickers.
I'm starting new one.
What?
Jesus Christ.
What did he
Roll
just say?
fucking bass.
Oh my god, like here it comes.
Anything to say now?
No, chef.
Nothing at all. Anything to say? Anybody? Fuck off.
Oh.
You fuck off upstairs. I'm sorry, Chef.
Oh, bro.
Can I repeat that? I'm sorry. Yeah, let me repeat it. Fuck yourself. Yes, sir. He brings that pissing over, and the big surprise is the fucking bass is fucking raw.
Yo, we gonna have to rumble, bro.
Cool, can I just get so pissed off with you around? You're misinterpreting the competition. It's Master Chef, not Master Bait.
You know my name because it's on my shirt.
Get that fucking donkey out of there. Touch that.
Shit.
Yeah, shit. Fucking right as shit.
I'm going that right back at him, bro.
Fucking sue me. Hey, and look at me.
They fear
the
him.
response is fucking shocking.
I could
No
never
one
fear
gives a
him.
damn.
You
Now
tripping.
I've got raw, stone cold, fucking Longestine. Raw, stone cold, Longestine. You're standing there, you're screwing me, and you're fucking useless.
Oh.
What are you doing? Sorry, chef. Yeah, do me a favour. Take that off. Fucking up out of here. Get out.
They making me mad, bro. They making me mad because they not saying nothing back to him. I don't care who he is, bro. Nobody want to be talking to me like that, bro. Yeah, this on, bro. It's on the internet.
Fucking jacket. Fucking useless sack of shit. Get out.
Imagine your family at home watching somebody go at you like that, bro. Like, what?
Shit. Bobby,
Oh.
yes. I'm looking for someone to take control of this disgusting, embarrassing mess. He doesn't give a fuck. He's dreaming. He's standing there pissing his pants looking for his tartar, caviar, white chocolate crap. And he's just running around like a toilet brush. Roll! Shit!
Scott is making me look bad.
Fisher. how to wake you up anymore. You're like a zombie.
Sorry, chef.
You make him look fucking good.
Zacky Wacky.
Oh.
Hey, you. Hey, come here, you. Zacky Wacky.
Chef Zach.
Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Is this a fucking joke?
No, chef.
Zacky Wacky.
Sorry, I apologize about that, chef.
Yeah, do me a favour. Get out.
Yes, chef.
Fuck off, will you? Shut the fuck
Oh.
up, yes, sir. You
Bro,
might not be so
he
rude.
say that to me, bro. I'm trashing the whole. No, hold
well,
on, bro. Hold on, bro.
Listen.
Bro, if he talking to me like that, bro, I'm trashing the entire kitchen, bro. I'm throwing everything on the floor. I don't care, bro. I'm not about to get disrespected like that. He about to make me leave. Like, I ain't earned my spot here. No, bro. I'm going right at him, bro. He getting treated like a random boy in the streets. No kid.
Yes, sir. Concentrate. Yes, sir. 4 minutes to the window.
Yo,
Yes, sir. One spaghetti of lobster. Yes, sir. One scallops. Yes, sir. Now, would you like me to fucking email that to your BlackBerry? No, sir.
Oh.
Move your ass. Yes, sir. You're back in the institute again, aren't you?
No way, chef.
Serving that shit.
No, chef.
No, hey, big boy.
Come on, I gotta get this going.
What I say to you about taste? Taste. I'm done. Standing here with a bunch of idiots. Fuck you all. Good luck, superstars.
Bro, he making me
I don't know what that's
mad,
supposed
bro.
to be. Supporting them.
They all making me mad. They making me mad for not defending themselves, and then he making me mad because he acting crazy. I don't know why he talking like that. He would not be talking like that to anybody, bro.
You. Get out!
Rumblebee, how about that? How about
You
that?
wonder why I go a little bit fucking doolally? It's in front of you. Just all taking place naturally. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me.
Pause.
You. Fuck off out of here. Finish the service. Get out.
Yo, bro, he not that serious, bro. I
I'm
can't.
telling you, if you don't get out, I'll drag you out. Get up to taste it.
Yeah, I want him to do that. I want him to do that. He gonna get stepped on.
Do it again. Don't argue with chef.
Don't talk back to chef. He says something, you say yes, chef, and move on. That's it.
Say that again.
No.
Hey, say that again. No, say yes, chef. Say that. That spit fucker's going in my face. Say that again. Say that again.
Bro, they fear
How's the
him.
fucking seasoning in there? These guys.
Bro, I don't care who
Yeah,
he
you're about to
is,
cook up their
bro.
breakfast.
Nobody about to be talking to me like that, bro.
This fucking pigeon's that raw it can still fly. Touch it. So fucking cold and raw. Come on. Come on, chunky monkey. I trusted you. I don't need to turn your pizzas upside down. If it's fucking burnt, don't send it.
Oh.
In fact, you know what? Fuck off to the bar, eat the pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of you.
Pizza.
Fuck off out of here. Get out.
Bro, he be drawing, yo. He's not.
Get out. What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Yes, I'll be 4 minutes on this hot, Chef.
Disrespectful.
That's the best thing you have.
I'm sorry, Chef. I'm sorry, Chef. It's my fault, Chef. I'm very sorry, Chef. Hey, I'm sorry, Chef. It's my fault, Chef. I'm very sorry, Chef.
Hey, you. Hey, come here. Let me whisper something very important in your ear. Very important. Fuck off. Get out. Get out! Right. Don't whistle at me. I'm not your fucking dog, yeah? You look more like a dog than I do. Fuck off, will you? You look more like a dog than I do. You've now just confirmed...
said it to a
in my
customer?
mind You're not trustworthy.
Yo, he anybody, bro. That's anything.
That fucking gremlin.
He a weirdo, yo.
She screws. There you go.
Sorry, guys.
Hey, madam, this is not our first night.
Yes, chef, no chef.
Yes, chef, no chef. Fucking gremlin.
Oh, they can't be from Philly, bro. Nobody on here cannot be from Philly, bro. Cause no, I don't know. Nobody from Philly is gonna let him talk to them
Give
like
it all I
that, bro.
got. Give you 110. You surprise me to how shit you are. Oh, fuck off, you fat, useless sack of fucking...
Bro, that's disrespectful, bro. That's really
Fuck off, will you,
disrespectful.
please, yeah? Andy! You're a first-class cunt. I told you not to send that shit. Hey, look, there you go. That's Whistler for you, yes? No, chef. Yeah? That's the Raxy restaurant in Whistler, yes? Fuck off, will you? Fine dining. No, chef. A fine
Bro, I'm throwing everything in the trash.
You're about
Look at kicking all the trash
pigeon
cans.
shit on Trafalgar Square.
You're a weirdo, man.
What is that? Oh, fuck off. Hey, JP, take him and yourself back to fucking Belgium.
Oh.
Fuck right off. Fuck off. I'm done. You,
Right off.
you, fuck off out of here.
Oh.
Get out. Hey, excuse me, madam.
Yes, chef.
Fuck me. How about fuck you? A black jacket. You need a straight jacket. I know what your game is, yeah? You just want to get all your appetizers out.
No,
Look
chef.
good, yeah?
I was...
Oh, fuck me.
No,
Oh, fuck
I
me.
swear to God,
Fuck
that's
off.
not true.
Piss off.
Oh.
fucking bimbo. Come here, you. Fuck off in the dining room and you explain to the fucking customer why you're so shit. Fuck off with it, yeah?
Oh my god.
It's the kind of shit you'd expect Tiger Woods to tee off with. Look at it. Rubber, rubber, rubber! When it's brown, it's cooked. When it's black, it's fart.
Stuck to the pan. Yeah.
That's what I got given at the fucking park.
He's
Let's give a big round of applause to the captain hitting an iceberg on the fucking
he's
Titanic.
not gonna
What's the matter between you two?
He going with them like they anybody, bro. I don't.
Speaking English, you dick.
I know this is from Texas.
Do something.
Yes, chef.
I don't know, they might need him to like get the exposure and all that, but bro, he is disrespectful, bro. I wouldn't be able to take that, bro. He wanted to hop in the bubble, maybe he wanted to rumble or something, bro. Cause he way too disrespectful for him to be a top chef, bro. Like,
You're
why are
a
you talking to people
fucking
like
talker,
that,
You're
bro?
a shit cook. You just sunk your peas.
I did not,
madam. Fuck off!
I can't go out there with
He
this.
swear everybody a best cook. Everybody doing their best, right? Like, why he acting crazy?
Tongue up, you fat crack. Get out there! Overcooked on the bottom, crispy as fuck, and it looks like Gandhi's flip-flop. What a shame.
Word.
Enough's enough.
You ashamed.
Fuck off and go put some more makeup on. 3 times 3, Amanda.
9.
9. Then give me 9 fucking chops, you stupid big bitch.
5.5 minutes.
Yo.
Do you know why? I don't know.
Yeah,
Chef.
he's taking it a
Calling you
little
out.
too far, bro.
You've got a pan here like that, and you throw lettuce on top like that. You're shit. You are so shit you don't realise what you're doing.
Bro, he's wrong, bro. He don't gotta be talking to me like that at all, bro.
Useless fucking pieces of shit. You'll know it's crap. Not watch that chicken and the juice piss out of it. Look, see all that there? Taste. It's delicious. Unfortunately, it should be the customer tasting it, not you. I think you've tasted enough. Crap on top of crap on top of crap on top of crap. You're one of the most fucking saddest I've ever met in a fucking kitchen. It takes a little time. I can't get used to this. Sounds like a fucking weirdo on Dr. Phil. What's wrong with you? Look at me, hey, look, you ignorant bitch. Look at my fucking eyes.
Oh,
What's wrong with you?
yo, bro, no,
What's
no.
wrong with you?
Nothing.
Yeah, get a grip.
Got it.
You
No,
made part of a shell
bro.
coming out. And you,
No,
look.
he's not
I'm
talking to me
stuck
like
the
that.
back. You fucking interrupt me again next time. You're going for an early bath.
I don't care if he
Big
see
one,
this
you know,
video.
so-
He probably, I know you're not, but if he see this video, he think I won't. If he think I won't go at him, he go at me like that. I'ma steal him, bro. I'm not even dead, bro.
What's your game?
I'm just here to cook, sir.
Now look at me. You fucking take the piss out of me one more time in the middle of fucking service, yeah? Kiss your fucking ass goodbye. Is that clear?
Understood, chef.
Thank you!
Will not
They
happen
hear
again.
him.
Trying something new. I'm gonna put a little sugar and rub it around the rim and try to get that. And that's what I'm trying to do right now.
You're gonna get some sugar and rub it round the rim.
Sugar, sugar, butter, and the cocoa powder, and try to see if that keeps them from sticking.
Probably didn't tell you to leave. What he?
Hey, hello,
Making this
come
video
here,
is totally
donkeys.
retarded.
Here we go.
Oh,
We
I didn't
started.
even say that.
Come
You
here.
know,
What is that?
it's soft.
What is that?
I don't mean that.
What is that? What is that?
You not see this clip already?
Fuck off. Okay? That's already fucked. When you roll it looking like a
I think they're just running it back. I've seen
You
these.
turn around and tell me when you work like a pig. You French pig! Look at that. It's like a bison's penis. What is that shit? Leave it!
Chef. Yes,
But
chef.
when you go like this, you go, I'm good, I'm brilliant, I'm from
chef.
Chicago. Fucking shit hard.
Yeah, I've seen the rest of this, bro. I'm pretty sure. Seen it.
And concentrate.
Yes, chef.
Hannibal,
Yeah.
your special has now become not.
Yeah, I seen all of that. Bro, that man is too disrespectful, bro. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. I don't care if you don't know me, I don't like him at all. It's not. I mean, I understand it's your job, but you don't gotta talk to people like that. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down videos that I should react to, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, like the video, and if you don't like it, comment down below why you don't like it. I don't know why you wouldn't, but I mean, you gotta let me know so I can do better, you know what I'm saying? So, that's all I wanted to say. We out.